Want to know how to ask Cursor AI to turn the logic into a reusable library? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application and then just simply open up a random code. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI that you can get help with on our channel, so make sure to watch it by visiting our channel. So in this video, I have this restart code. Just simply select Ctrl+A in order to select the entire code, and you should be seeing two options. Now, since we are turning the logic into a reusable library, we need to refactor or edit this program. So just simply select quick edit and then just simply type in this prompt right here. Now just simply select enter, and after a while it will generate you your code, and now you can just simply select keep in order to keep the code and undo if you want a different one. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.